Hey, this is Evan with High Pro Strategic. So today I'm going to talk about backpacks and vests with armor plates. I haven't seen a lot of videos of people talking about that stuff. You know, everybody wears plates and no one really talks about wearing a backpack with it. Grantham might have talked about one video with a backpack, but I'm out here to show you and kind of experiment with two different types of backpacks. One is a removable backpack on your vest, which obviously there's some advantages to that. And then also a backpack that's attached to your vest. And that's also removable, but it's a little bit more of a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna walk around with this on. So I've got this, it's just strapped onto my backpack or onto my vest. So it's independent of that. And I've got it fully loaded with all my camping stuff, if you can see that. And so I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and then I'm gonna talk about what I'm feeling and then do a little bit of shooting. So I just sprinted down there, did a little shooting with the pack on. If I was gonna remove this pack, all I have to do is just unclip this one little thing right here. And then I have to work it off, of course. Oh. Let's see, once I get it off, oh, whoops, there we go. Pretty easy to remove. All I had to do is just unclip that piece on the chest here. Obviously I have a lighter vest here. I don't have side plates on this, so it's a little less protective. But generally speaking, it's a little bit easier to get off if you need it off. It really rides on your shoulders because your vest kind of pulls it off of the shoulders here, and it really kind of pulls into your shoulders and causes a little stress there. Especially a long distance trek, that would really start to hurt. So I would want to try to cinch it down more so it sits on your vest rather than just on your shoulders. So now we're gonna try the other vest. This vest is a lot easier to take off because all you got is those little clips. It's pretty hot out here. It's like 90 degrees, 95 degrees maybe. So it's pretty hot. Okay, so this is my other vest build, and this has the backpack attached. So it's attached at this point here, and then it's attached right here, and over here on the other side. So it's actually a free-floating backpack, and all I have to do is unclip 4 clips, which of course that's 3 more clips than the other backpack, and it's not of its own, so I can't just throw this backpack on without my plate carrier. But the idea is I can go for long distances with this and my backpack, which I can attach stuff all over the place to it, and it's going to be about as effective and carry about as much stuff as that backpack, the other one I had. Now I'm going to walk around. You stop. Just stop it. This whole thing, this setup really works, I think, better for long distances if you're walking around with a vest. Okay, and then for taking this off, I'll show you how, easy-ish it is. You got to undo these straps first. That pulls the backpack off, and then undo these ones here, and then it comes right off. But of course, I've got my rifle slung in here, so kind of just worked its way out, and there it is. And now I've just got my vest on, so I can drop that if I needed to as well. And obviously with more stuff attached to it, it'd be a little bit heavier, but these thin little straps, they actually do pretty decent with a lot of weight on them. So now I'm gonna walk around, I'm gonna kind of feel for it, and then I'm gonna tell you guys about it after I do a little shoot drill as well. Now I'm going to do the same drill, but with this backpack setup in this vest. All right, that's 2 hits. Whew! Okay, so I just did the shoot drill, sprinted in this vest, and then also walked around for a bit. And I will admit that the pressure on my shoulders is pretty extreme. It's a little bit more than the previous vest with the backpack. Of course, I don't have the pressure on the front part of my shoulders, so I think this is more of a natural pressure from having weight on the back. But I don't feel like the backpack is pulling my vest up like this, so that's good. And the cummerbund really does keep it pretty centered on my chest. All in all, I think having a vest with a backpack like this attached is better than having a loose backpack on. Of course, you know, you got to do kind of your own research, and you got to find clips and stuff, and you know, cinch those onto your MOLLE and make it kind of more comfortable for your fit. Thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate it. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this kind of stuff.